place we've bought. Okay, this is in the Canary Islands, in La Palma. Okay, my name is Pedro. We're going to show you a piece of land that we bought. I mean, there's a house here. Okay, we're going to restore. It's a very, very beautiful place. It's in Garafía. Okay, and it's like a paradise. It's very, very nice. Okay, so we're going to make a few videos to see how this goes on. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Let's have a look at the plan. It starts here. Okay, the plot of land starts here. This is the entrance. Okay, this is another entrance we have to the main house. And the land is 3 hectares of land, hectares of land. Okay, very big. This is a vineyard. Okay, it's not just one class of vineyard. There's quite a few. As you can see, at the moment it's not the season of pawning. Okay, so end of March we start to pawn it. Okay, let's have a look. Come down here. This road belongs to the plot of land. Okay. Let's just stop here and come up to here. We have a table here, okay, so we can eat in afternoons or in the mornings. Okay, down the bottom there are 2 caves, and one of them there's a barbecue. Okay, it's all traditional from here. Okay, it's very old. Everything was made here. Okay, so you see, it's very, very nice. Come up here. Okay, you can see the sea. Okay, and these trees are almond trees. Okay, it's the flower, the seasons of the flower, the almond trees. Okay, yes, yeah, small little town down the bottom, very, very cute. Okay, and here we have an era. They call it an era. It's where they put the wheat. Okay, and they put a cow inside or a donkey, and they go around crushing it all. Okay, taking all the grass out and leaving all the seeds inside. Okay, and then they used to throw it in the air, and the air will take away the grass and just leave the seeds inside. Okay, and they'll used to pick all that up. Okay, this is very old. Okay. As you can see, we have an old house inside there. There's a palm tree. Okay, you can see the sea down the bottom. Very, very nice. This house hasn't been lived in for around 200 years. It's very old. It's falling down. This is the house we're going to restore. Okay, so we're going to do some videos. You can see how I restore this house. My profession is a builder. Okay, I have a company here in the island. Okay, and I have people working with me. But this house, I'm going to do it all myself. Okay, so you're going to see how I fix it the traditional way. Okay. Come up to here. Okay. There. Okay, great. Come through here. Very, very nice, the flowers. It's the flowers of the trees, of the almond trees. See the house down the bottom. I mean, it takes a lot of work. It's very in poor condition. Well, it's a very nice house. It's a 2-story house. We see it right now. Okay, just have a look at the views. They're very, very nice. And the landscape goes all the way down there, where the pine trees are. Okay, and then the land gets up to that road there, but goes round. Okay. Look at the house, I'm not on the outside, okay? You see, I'm holding it up just in case it comes down, but you can see it's holding up just in case it just comes down. The walls are they're gone, they're right gone, okay? So we must be very, very careful. Okay, we'll open the door. Okay, we're gonna go inside the house. Okay, you can see it. This is Hercules. Okay, hola Hercules, say hello. Say hello, ven, Tatequito, ven. Yeah, say hello. Hey, okay, go inside. It's been a long time, nobody's been living here, okay? What we do, okay? The windows are a bit seized, so we use WD-40. Someone do that, see? Okay, that one is a bit important. Okay, got some there, 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 and there. Okay, so let's have a look. See? Just to help it a little bit. You can see the wood is very, very old. This wood is there, they call it there, okay? See, it's burnt by the sand, by the sun, okay? Very old. You see the windows are falling down. I mean, it's very nice. It's old, it's cute, okay? Have a look around, see the roof. Beautiful roof. To restore, very, very nice, okay? Sandy, they look very, very nice. I've done these in a few houses, they look very nice. Okay, this is they call it La Cena, where they used to put things, kitchen things and all this. Before, in them times, the kitchens used to be outside, not inside. And the toilets, there were no toilets, they used to do their things outside. Okay, let me just put this here so you can see me. Okay, hello, my name is Pedro, okay? And it's very, very nice house. Hercules, come here. Ven. Hercules. Hercules, ven. Okay, ven. Okay. Get here. And this is the barn where they used to have the cows. The cows and animals. People lived here just to live off the land, the animals they had, the milk from the cows. They used to make cheese. Totally natural. Look at them floors, stone floors, okay? To cut them, they're beautiful, they're very, very old. Look at these ones, okay? Very, very nice. Crystal. Go downstairs. Oh. You can see it's holding it up. Well gone. Hercules, ven. We put barred it outside, it doesn't fall down. Got put on that side. Before here, there used to be a small carpenter place where there was a man who used to fix things. You can see that was a table he used. Okay. Look at that roof. It's beautiful roof. You as we can go and see now, where they used to have the water. They used to pick up all the rainwater, for drinking and for the plants. Yeah. They used to have a wooden floor, burned when there was a big fire around here. Amazing the house survived. We have to fix and clean this deposit. And they used to pick up all the water all the way up there, with wooden channels, and they picked it up from the land when it rained. It came all the way this down here, through here, into here. When the water got inside here, it just started to fill up, and all the dirt stayed down the bottom. So when the level of the water came up, the clean water would go through here, and fall inside there. That was the water they used to have. See, it's amazing, yeah? You can see wherever you go, you see very nice things. You can see the trees, they were all burnt, and they're starting to come up again. You can see the drago, the centenary drago there down there, you see it there. And these used to be steps all the way down. They used to have vineyards all the way down here. And the original owners, who I bought this off, they told me that they used to have an old press inside here where they used to make wine. And then they used to sell it, but it disappeared. You see this stone, big stone here, belonged to that wine press. Okay, let's do something.